Hey guys, it's me Popunder, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money by promoting affiliate product in a specific way. Now this method is extremely simple that even if you are a complete beginner, then also you can use this strategy to make money for yourself. So watch this video till the end so that you can gather all the information that I am going to provide you in this video and implement it to make money for yourself. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. And if you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. So now without doing any delay, let's get started and let's go into our core topic. So firstly, you need an affiliate network. You need to join an affiliate network. You can join ClickBank, Digistore, whichever affiliate network you want, you can join. But for this video's sake, I'm going to show you this ClickBank, from this ClickBank. So if you don't have an account on ClickBank, then you can simply sign up to this platform where you can get lots of offer. And once you sign up to this platform, then just go to this marketplace, and then you can scroll below and click on e-business and e-marketing. So this is the niche where we need to select the offer to promote by using free traffic in this method. And you can see lots of offer are there. Whichever you want to select, you can select, but make sure that they have affiliate page, and inside that affiliate page make sure that they have these email swipes. Okay, if the offer doesn't have email swipes, then it will become a little bit hard for you to create your email by yourself. Okay, so it will be extremely easy if you already have some emails provided by the vendor. Now by saying that, we are not going to use this platform that is called Herculist. However, if you don't know what Herculist is, then Herculist is a platform which will provide you an opportunity to send thousands email, 1000 email daily for free. Okay, but we have already talked about this platform in our previous video. If you want to watch that, then I'll make sure to put the video of this Hercules tutorial in the description of this video. You can watch that video after watching this video. Okay, but in this specific video, we are not going to talk about this platform Hercules. We are going to talk about another platform. Okay, a brand new platform that lots of people don't know, and if you are watching this, then you are going to know about that platform. So the first thing is we need to select the offer. So let's say we selected this offer. Now what you can do is you can simply click on promote and click on create hope link, and you will easily get your unique affiliate link. Okay, you can simply copy it. Okay, and at the meantime, what you can do is you can go to this bit.ly.com, okay, and sign up for free. And now you can simply create a short link for your affiliate link. Okay, in this way, and then click on create and just give the title. So the title should be the name of the offer so that you can remember in future. So okay, get paid to use Facebook. So you can type get paid to use Facebook. Okay, that's fine. Now you can click on save, and then you can click on cross, and you will see the shorten link at here. You can simply copy it. Okay, and then after that you need to go to the affiliate page from your ClickBank dash marketplace. Just click on this affiliate page and you will reach to this kind of interface, and you can simply see there are lots of information given by the vendor, but we need to click on this email swipes. Now you will see lots of email swipes are there. You can read and see which of the email is good for you to send. Okay, so the title of the email should be catchy. Okay, if the title of the email is not that much catchy, then most probably people will not even open or click that email. Okay, so here is one email that I think is interesting. Here is your $25 for you to post this on Facebook. You can use this email, but it is a little bit lengthy. You can watch, you can read all these 20 emails and find more interesting email, but for this video's sake I am going to use this email. So now we have our email that we can send. So now the site that you need to visit to send this free email is called European Safe List. Okay, you just go to europeansaflist.com or simply type in Google about the word European Safe List, and you will visit to this site. Okay, and you can simply sign up. It's absolutely free, but they do have some paid plan. You can ignore it. Okay, if you only see the option to pay something, then keep on scrolling below, and at the end you will see some button, no thanks, I just want to go to European Safe List free member. Okay, and in that way you can come to European safe list. And another thing, you need 2 Gmail account, okay, one for the contact list and one for their main list. Okay, you need 2 Gmail account, and Gmail will only work to sign up to this platform. So you can once you sign up to this platform, then it is extremely simple to use it. Okay, you need to confirm your email in your Gmail, both Gmail, and then your account will be active. So let me click on home at here, and then you'll see this kind of interface. So let's click on login. So you can see my account status is active. So if you confirm from your both Gmail, that click the link that they send you to your Gmail, then your account status will be active. And once this is active, then what you can do is you can simply go to Credit Mailer. They do have lots of services that you can use, but for this video sake, we are going to click on this Credit Mailer. Just click on this Credit Mailer and you'll see this kind of interface to send the email. So now the first thing you need to do is just grab this title, copy it, go here, paste this as a subject. Now in second, make sure to delete this name. Okay, let's copy it. I have not read this email, but you can read this email and see if it is good. Okay, regards, and you can see here, hit this link and get started. Okay, that's fine. Hi friend, you can change it in this way. Okay, if there is something to edit, then you can edit it. So now the place where you need to use the link is, let's again copy this link that we have created in bit.ly. Just copy it, come to here and delete this http and paste your link at here. So now it says credit left 0. Okay, do not check this box. Okay, this is only for a premium member, but we are using the service for free. So now you can see here, free members are allowed to send up to 17,168 members. So this much email you can send from this platform. So now it's your wish. Either you want to send to this full number of people at once, or you can send it to 100 people per day, 1,000 people per day. If you send it for 1,000 people per day, then also you can send this email up to 17 days. And if you just send for 500 people per day, then also you can send it for about 30 days. And then what you need to do, now you may think that we need to purchase something like their credit. If you want, then you can. Okay, because if you start to get sales in ClickBank, then why not? Why don't you want to purchase their credit? Of course you want, yeah. But even if you don't want to purchase their credit, then what you can do is you can create another 2 Gmail account and again sign up and again follow all the process that I have shown you till now. So guys, in this way you can save this message. You can save up to three to 4 messages, but it is not necessary to save, because you will get all of these messages in ClickBank vendor affiliate page. So it is not that necessary. Now you can simply click on send and send this to everyone that is in the list. List means this much members. So it is as simple as this. So if you think this video added some value to your life, then if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. I'll be bringing more interesting video, more making money online videos in my channel, so stay tuned. And if you want to make passive income for lifelong, then I have my as one training recommendation in the description, first link of the description. You can click on it and see if it is good fit for you. I believe that it is going to help you for long term and short term to make passive income for lifelong. So this much I wanted to show you and say you in this video. I hope you liked this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.